Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to set up spell check on Android phone. Here's a step guide to set up spell check on your Android phone. First is to unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Then open the settings app. Scroll down and tap system. Tap languages and input. Select on-screen keyboard or virtual keyboard. Tap on the keyboard you're using it. For example, is Gboard, Samsung keyboard or SwiftKey. Tap correction and suggestions or smart typing on Samsung. Then look for the spell check or check spelling option. Toggle the spell check, switch it to on. If your phone asks to download a dictionary, tap download to install it. To make it more accurate, go back to Gboard settings, then tap languages, and choose the languages you type in. For example, is English. Now go back to Gboard settings, then go to corrections and suggestions again. Here, you can also turn on suggestion strip to see spelling suggestions as you type. Open any typing app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Gmail to test it. Then type a word incorrectly, and it should now be underlined in red, and tapping it will show correction suggestions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.